Position the machine with the bucket flat at the front and the blade at the back. Lift it up approximately 200 off the ground, 200 mil. Remove the adjuster cover plate. In the center of the track frame you've got the grease nipple, and there's a bolt that the grease nipple goes into. This needs to be removed. In this case it's a 19 mil socket that is required. As this bolt is removed, the pressure will come out of the track. You can see the track beginning to sag. Remove the bolt completely and put it in a safe place. You don't want to lose that. You notice that came off relatively easy. Sometimes the idler at the back here can get a whole lot of dirt stuck in it, which makes it pretty hard to retract and push back in. If you're having trouble getting the idler back in when you're trying to remove the track, place a big lever bar or the larger, or even a piece of wood or any kind of object or pole in that position that we've got this lever bar, and lever on it with the grease nipple from the center of the track frame removed. This will push the idler back in and enable you to take the track off much easier. Once the track's off like this, pull the idler wheel right out and clean out the inside of that frame. Oftentimes dirt and stones get caught in there, and it's certainly not helpful. We're going to try and push that idler wheel back in as far as we can so that it makes the going on of the track a lot easier. See, as we're doing that, grease is coming out of it. It's about as far as it goes in to make the track easy to put on. You want to position the track so that the pattern of the track sort of points towards the front of the machine. The front of the machine, obviously, where the blade is. You want to position the machine not too high off the ground. You want the bottom rollers high enough that you can slide the track underneath and get it in position. Not so high that it creates a lot of tension across the top of the track. That'll make it hard to fit. Depending on the situation and the site that you're working on, it can be easier to put it on at the idler end first and then run it on with the sprocket using a lever bar similar to what we've got here, placing it between the sprocket and the track and getting your helper or another person to operate the machine and drive the track on. So slowly run it on. Then pump some grease into it and you'll see the tension come back into the track. Very important not to over tension the track. Once you got it to a tension that looks about right, then you want to run the track up. So start the machine up and give it a few revolutions in forward and reverse. Make sure that the track is sitting right and check the tension again. This track looks about right now. We've run it up. Once your track's on and you're happy with the tension, wipe away any excess grease and then do up your cover plate, that 14mm bolt, and your job is done.